Hello, my dear students. My name is Vivek Prasad Saw, working as Assistant Professor in Textile Technology Department of MLB Textile and Engineering College, located in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. This video lecture is related to the subject multi-fiber spinning. This subject is taught in 8th semester of BTech course of Textile Technology in Textile Technology Department, and the topic of this video is types of waste spinning systems, and the reference book is Soddy and Mumbo, manufactured by NC Ghee. Now, types of waste spinning system. If we broadly categorize the waste spinning system, then there are two types of waste spinning system. One type is quite similar to the cotton spinning system and also known as coiler spinning system, and the other is quite similar to the woolen spinning system and which is called as the condenser system. Now, if you recall the previous video about the waste generated in a spinning plant, since the raw material quality is not so good, so the count which can be produced from the waste yarn, it ranges from 6 to 12 NE. If the raw material or the waste quality is very good, then a fine count can be produced. If it is coarse, very short length fiber, and the quality of waste is not good, then coarse count of yarn will be produced. So if we recall our woolen spinning system, cotton spinning system you are already familiar with, but if we recall the woolen spinning system, in woolen spinning system directly from the finisher card which produce slubbings, and from the slubbings on either on the ring spinning or mule spinning directly yarn can be produced. So the condenser system, which is also known as the condenser system, here the waste yarn is produced directly from slubbings. Now this is the sequence for the coiler system or normal cotton spinning system where the waste yarn is produced. So there is some difference, quite a little bit of difference from the normal process blow room line. So here we don't need a blow room line, we need a velo machine and breaking up machine. These machines are generally a type of carding machines where the fibers are opened. Okay, this velo machine is a type of woolen card machine where there are several workers and strippers around the cylinder. So breaking up machine is like that, and scutcher with hopper and lap formation device, so that the material coming out from these machines can be fed into breaker card, and then from breaker card again derby doubler machine which makes a lap from sliver. So this breaker card is giving slivers, and from the sliver again a lap is formed, and that lap is fed to the finisher card, and from the finisher card it goes to the roving preparation, roving frame. So it is here it is quite similar to the cotton spinning system where from the carding it is going to the roving preparation system, and then from the roving it is either a process in the mule spinning or the ring spinning machine. Condenser system. In the condenser system, the sequence of machine is like this: a velo machine, automatic hopper feeder from the to feed the material which is coming from the velo machine to the breaker card, and from the breaker card scotch feeding device which makes lap for feeding in the finisher card, and from finisher card it goes to condenser. This is an attachment which is attached to the finisher card basically. So this forms finisher card, and the condenser forms a single unit as in the woolen spinning. In this condenser the slubbings are formed, that is the coarse type of roving material which is built up on the bobbins, and from the slubbings the material goes to mule spinning.